everyone, this is the video for the continuing payroll problem. Since you are assigned B, I'm going to be working A. The steps are still the same, so the only difference really is the amounts and the tax percentages and then the simple deductions. So let's go ahead and look at step 1. We have to record the marital status and withholding allowances for each employee. And I'm going to apologize for the ball squeaking in the background. My service dog is dying to play, so she's trying to urge me on. So we first we need to enter, let me zoom in so you can see it better. We're going to enter in the marital status and the number of allowances. So this is pretty simple. So we're just going to enter in the information exactly how it's given to us in the textbook. And then we're going to use that information to calculate the federal income tax and the FICA taxes. So let's see, 31 is 3, 6, 1, 5, 7. So that's step 1. Step 2 is to record the simple deductions. And so we're going to go over to the simple deduction column, and we're just entering the information directly from the textbook. Since we do not have formulas in the cells, we can go ahead and use Excel to calculate the math for us. And so that gives us step 2. Step 3 is we need to enter in federal income tax. And what I'm going to do to help with that is I'm going to hide the columns so I remember to deduct the simple contributions from the taxable earnings. So that's going to help me remember to do that. So we're going to go to page T5. Oops. In our textbook, that's the beginning of the tax tables for wage bracket, and we are doing employees paid weekly, so make sure you're looking at the correct page. And what I'm also going to do to make sure I have everything I need easily seeable, I'm going to hide those columns as well. That way I have the information I need close at hand. So the first one is we have $700. Simple deduction is 20, so that means the taxable income is $680. So we're going to make sure this person is single with one allowance. So at least 680, but not more than 690, 0, 1. So their federal income tax is $76. And then we're just going to repeat the process. So we have $897.04 minus 50 gives us $847 for single and no allowances. So at least 840, but less than 850, $119. And then again, we're just going to repeat the process for the rest of the employees. I'm going to pause the video and enter in the rest of the amounts. Okay, now that I have everything added in, I'm going to total the column. So I'm just going to manually enter the formula. I find that's easier for me. So now we have that information. We can go back to the page in our textbook. So that's page 467. So that is number 3. Number 4 is record state income taxes on the gross weekly earnings. And the rate is 3.7%. So what I'm going to do is I am going to unhide the pages So here we go. It's $700 is their earnings times 3.07% gives us $21.49. The next one is $897.04 times 3.07% gives us $27.54. And again, we're just going to repeat the process all the way down. I am going to pause the video and I'm going to go ahead and enter in the necessary amounts. Okay, now that all the amounts are in, I'm going to go ahead and add the amounts up since there are no formulas in the cells. That's going to prevent any rounding issues. So that is step 4. Step 5 is record the city income taxes with the rate at 3%. So that is going to go into the CIT. So again, we're just going to take the information given. 700 times 3% gives us $21. And then we're just going to repeat the process. Repeat the process. So it's $26.91. $678.75 times 3% is $20.36. I'm going to pause while I finish the calculations. Okay, now that all of the amounts have been entered, I'm going to go ahead and total the column. And there you go. That's all that you have to, complete for this week. If you have any questions on it, or if you're struggling to get answers that you think are correct, let me know. Have a great day.